Hello, piggies. Hello. These are all my girl guinea pigs. They're just enjoying their grass for now. That's Clover, Maisie, Fern, Ruby, and Birdie. And that's Prim. She just now came from underneath the ramp. And over here on the other side are my boys. Milo, Otis, Pinky, and Woodstock. Woodstock's the biggest. They're all just enjoying their grass before I come in here and clean out their pen. It's gotten a little messy. Grass is their favorite treat. Yep. Today's clean out day where I just clean out their whole pen and wash their water bowls. But yeah, that's it. Here they are.